What's up, guys? It's Sneaker Tub Day. We got Aidan's box and my box. Aidan's already opened his. I cannot wait to get into mine. I got the premium. Aidan's got the elite. All right, Aidan's first item. Oh, he's got a good box here. Fair Play Los Angeles socks. Oh, all right, pretty cool. Fair Play, it says on the side. I already know that these are good socks, man. Second thing he's got here. Oh, this is a good one. Sneaker Lab Basic Shoe Care. We'll do a product review on that. That's a good one, man. Jason Markk Quick Wipes, shoe cleaning wipes. So it's a double shoe cleaning package. Oh, hip pack. These are coming back. These were rocking in the 80s when we were kids. Oh, another pair of socks, beauty. So that's all right, good score. 2 pairs of socks. All he's got left are his shoes. Vans again. They're funky, right? So he likes them. Let's check them out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Nice. Vans BMX old school. Hey, the fluorescent green. Those are rocking. We'll put them with the collection. See, we got the collection starting to come. Those are rocking. So that's Aidan's full box. Oh no, never mind. That's only his first pair of shoes. Okay, hold on a sec, guys. Let me put the hair up. Quick hair pull. All right, Nikes. Elite box, and he gets a pair of Nikes. Okay, I'll let you guys see them first. Oh, Forrest Gump right here, fella. These are the Forrest Gumps, dude. These are the ones in the movie. These things are sweet. Oh, those are rocking. Blue and white Cortezes. These are sweet. Oh, those are pumping. Another good month for him. Look, another pair of Nikes for him. So there's his 2 shoes this month. This pair and this pair. And this is his last month's pair, the Pumas and the Vans. And this is my last month's pair. My pinkies. I call them the pinkies. I really like them. They're not dead stock anymore. Near close. I wore them once. Really, I like them. That was Aidan's box. This is mine. Nike premium box. Okay, here we go. You guys look in first. I'm not looking. Aidan's checking it out. So here we go. Pretty much the same thing as Aidan got, man. We got Jason Markk's microfiber towel, stance. See, same socks as Aidan. And then the same shoe clear thing. I guess it's a theme, right? Should I read it or should I open it? Read or oh, you won't let me read it. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? Oh, all black pair. Air Maxes. Nice pair. I've never had a pair of Air Maxes. All black pair of Air Maxes. Nice. Air Max 90s. Black on black. So I'm really happy with my my Air Maxes. I like the black on black. I'm pretty solid. I like them. I like them. We're happy again. We're happy again. Thank you again, Sneaker Tub. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Tell me what you guys thought. And I look forward to seeing you guys again. Later, guys.
Oh shit, here we go again.